All right, if you're following the social media, as you know, I posted today the euro dollar trade. But why the euro dollar and not the SP 500 or gold? Because normally I like to trade gold. I missed out on gold this morning here. And the reason was after the impulse wave, which I caught it here, it didn't come back. So I didn't go in. And I didn't want to chase it all the way up. Okay, so I thought, okay, I'll let it go. So I thought I'd take a look at something else. And as the afternoon came, I saw that the euro dollar, despite the astro hours, it was just hanging around here. Okay. And this morning in the video, I said this has got room to go up. Why? Because there's no gap here. And the only thing it can do is come back to 37.61, which is a price of 0730, which is quite low. 0730 all the way down there, which is buyable here. If it was down here, definitely worth buying. So I didn't know if it was going to go down or up. So instead of just jumping in at the astro hour, I thought I'll wait for the breakout. And this is why we're using technical analysis. So once the market broke out, I entered with a really tight stop loss because I don't like my stop losses too far out. And if I'm right, it should go in my direction. If I'm wrong, I'll get stopped out with a small loss. No big deal. Now, because I've got 245 ahead of me, the market shouldn't really reverse until 245, okay, or 2 o'clock, okay, 2 o'clock actually, because that's your 145 on the platform, and it's 1 o'clock here, all right, because this zone, okay, this is why I said it should make my target in the social media. If you're not following the social media, it might be a good idea to follow me on Twitter because it makes sense then. Right, because so I posted it when the price was here. So I entered the trade and then I thought I'd post this as an example because it's a good one. And I've got two take profits, one there and one there. So I figured it should come and hit my cover. It should cover the trade because I've got two positions open. So it should cover the first trade here by 2:45, 2 p.m. And then if it's going to go up, it should go up in any case. All right. But we should all be covered at least by that time. So because the price was hanging around in the lows, I thought this was a better option than diving in at some, high price, which I don't like to do. I don't like to buy expensive. It's a personality thing. All right. So when the whole thing just shot up, it's just logical when it's got squeezed here, market getting squeezed. And because there were no gaps in technical analysis, as you can see here, the market already filled in everything last week. So that's Monday and Tuesday. Now, also, if you take a look at your swing days, what do you see for the euro dollar? You see Monday and Tuesday as a swing day for the euro dollar. So Monday, it dipped down. Tuesday did the same level. So if it broke out, going up higher into there was okay. So why have I got slightly higher than this? Well, here I've got 54.55. So I'm going to manage the trade at 08.23.18. Okay, which is 18. Let me just move this up. This is my first management zone here. All right, I can even move the stop loss up here. But remember, I'm managing with time, okay? So if by the time we get up to here, all right, I'm going to take profit. Okay, I'm not going to leave it to there. I'm going to take profit. I'm going to check out, or I'm going to move the stop loss really tight, okay, in case there's a reversal. Why? Because 245 today can be a reversal. It's got a potential to kind of retrace back. And the afternoon is a bit dodgy, so I don't want to be mucking around in a dodgy time zone, right? Because it can get a little choppy. So that's the whole plan, all right? So that's the ultimate take profit up there, according to the PST levels, and this is the first one. But if we get up here at these hours, I'm just going to close it off. And as you can see, the take profit risk return is really, really good because, of the tight stop losses. All right, so you can get something like this, like 1 to 9, 10, just within the day, because the stop loss is just really tight. Okay, and that's basically it. So this is why I chose this one. It was just going to get, it was, just accumulating, consolidating, and just got squeezed and pushed out. So the minute it pushed out here, I thought it was a good opportunity to just dive in with a tight stop loss, and that's how it panned out. All right, that's why I didn't go in for gold. Normally I'm a gold fan, and yesterday we had a really nice trade all the way down. So normally I am, like I said, a gold fan, but here this is more like a sell zone for gold. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. All right, so we're right on there, as you can see, 52 on the PST, which is 2026, which is pretty much, close there. So onto that level. All right, so that's why maybe this is why I've got a precious metal gold, an index SP5 and euro dollar all on the same profile, because I'm checking out which one looks like a better option to get in. So I hope that sheds a little bit of light, because with the astro timing, you can get in at a breakout, you can get in a pullback, you can get in on a smaller time frame, any kind of setup you want. And I think that's what makes it really special. And then you don't have to sit in front of the screen all day waiting for setups to happen. So using astro hours, I think, is like really beneficial. All right, in the interim, have a great day. All the best.